Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can capture screenshots on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this, so it's obviously already open and visible. So from there, once you're ready, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. Gives you a scroll option, share and edit. After a moment it disappears on its own. So once it disappears, you can quickly find it in your Photos application. There we go. And you can see it right over here. There's the screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.